Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and here is the answer to extend and append. So alright, last video we touched on this, but we are going to pull it up just in case you missed last video. So alright, we're going to run this so we get a list object into memory, and we can do this on either one of them. We can either do list dot extend, get that, or we can do our actual object name. This is what threw me off for a while. I was like, oh yeah, Python doesn't care. Oh, we already did extend. Let's do append. Okay, so this takes the iterable, this takes any object. So okay, so this has to be some sort of iterable or a list. Extend list by appending element from. So alright, let's clarify this. So, alright, x plus y. That's not a y. Okay, so that is the equivalent of this. Now, we learned last time that this changes everything. So there we go. Extend is linking the two together, adding it to the end of it. So now if I then were to take our x that we've now just extended, and if I do append y, I'm going to put y inside the list. So I will have a list inside a list. Boom. So we will just hammer this home. Extend adds and lengthens the list. Append puts it inside. Because I remember the first few times I was messing around with this, and I was like, oh, for the love of God, this doesn't make any sense. So then if I were to take this and do this, any guesses? So I'll have my 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, then my list of 3, 5, and then 3, 5 inside the list, not as a list. Boom. So that is the difference between extend and append. Extend lengthens, adding the lists together. Append puts whatever object inside the list, not adding to, not lengthening it. So I just wanted to really drive this home because I saw a posted question on a forum, and I was like, I don't think I've really sold this. So I just wanted to touch on it, make sure we understood the difference between the two. So as always, if you've not given this video a thumbs up, let's do that right now. And if you've not subscribed, let's subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I don't want you missing any videos, because you guys are really helping lead this channel in the way it needs to be. And by doing that, I'm getting some really awesome comments, good questions, and my all-time favorite video requests. Have really gotten some good video requests, and that's helped me then get other video ideas to see what you guys really need, because this is your channel. Help me lead the channel the direction it needs to go, because I remember what it was like stumbling and fumbling and going to different places and trying to piece all this stuff together. And I want you to have one place. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.